Congratulations on passing your AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. Now it's time to step up to the associate level Solutions Architect. Now, when you did your Cloud Practitioner, this was a foundational AWS certification, which is more so of a knowledge-based certification where you learn the AWS fundamentals. When you step up to that associate level with Solutions Architect, this is going to be a role-based certification, which means you got to put your Solution Architect hat on. Now, the Solution Architect Associate certification is going to be very closely aligned to AWS well-architected best practices. That means you're going to need to be familiar with how to build secure, cost-optimized, operationally excellent, reliable, and performant architectures on AWS. How you should prepare? The very first thing you should do is download the exam guide for the Solution Architect Associate certification and review that from start to finish. This is going to help you understand who's the ideal candidate, how many questions, how much time do you have on the exam, what the passing score is, and probably most importantly is all the domains that are on the certification, which covers the range of what the exam will test you on, including the percentages, which talks about, 20% of the exam is going to be based on this domain, or 25% is going to be based on this domain. And then with those domains, you're going to have task statements for every domain. So definitely take a look at that. In terms of preparation, take a look at AWS Skill Builder. There is going to be a lot of resources that you can use to study there. And then the last piece of advice I'll give you is make sure you get hands-on experience. You can either go use the AWS free tier and learn AWS, or you can take a look at AWS Builder Labs, which will be hands-on labs that will complement your theoretical knowledge nicely, and make sure you take some practice tests as well to determine when you're ready to sit for the exam.